Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an exciting part of English that brings energy and emotion to our language: exclamations. At the C1 level, we'll explore how to use exclamations effectively to express surprise, enthusiasm, and strong reactions in everyday conversation. So, what exactly is an exclamation? Exclamations are words or phrases used to express intense feelings or reactions. They're often short and powerful, like wow, amazing, oh no, and incredible. Exclamations add color to your speech, helping you convey emotions instantly and making interactions feel more natural and lively. Let's look at a few examples of exclamations in action. Imagine seeing a stunning view. You might say, "Wow, that's breathtaking." Or if you've just heard great news, you could say, "Fantastic, I'm so happy for you." At the C1 level, you can use more nuanced exclamations to convey specific emotions like unbelievable, for shock, or at last, to express relief. These exclamations allow you to capture the mood of the moment and connect with others through shared feelings. In everyday situations, exclamations are everywhere. Picture being at a party and someone announces a fun surprise. You might say, "No way, that's awesome." Or if you're listening to someone's story, you might react with, "Really? I can't believe it." Exclamations make conversations feel more genuine and engaging, helping you communicate enthusiasm, empathy, or even disbelief. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to try using different exclamations in your conversations to add expressiveness and show your reactions more vividly. And don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying the podcast. Your support helps others find the show, and we love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me today to explore exclamations at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.